That noise is her flashlight.
No, it's my phone.
No, their flashlight on the car.
It's banging.
Yes. Bang, 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 shoot, string.
Damn it. Damn it. Hey, sis.
Oh, a heart. Sprinkling.
Oh, crap. Hello. I seen that one. My drone's screwed. What time is it, sis?
What?
What time is it?
I don't know. Probably
11:40 or 11:10.
Oh, dang.
Torch. I don't want to torture it.
Whoa.
Mic's on. Hello.
Oh, dang. You're going to brought me out. Slimy?
We're having too much fun.
It's all raining all night.
I got the tongue right here. Whoa.
Golly, this was looking long.
Look how long mine is so far.
An hour.
Yeah, it's going to be longer. I got to post a 2 drone video. No. Yeah, 3 drone videos and this.
I got 1.
We still got a freaking hour to go. We're gonna burglarize your dad.
Hey, look, burlize him.
Damn.
Burlize.
Whoa! My ass.
You put that on there on Facebook. You can't hear yourself.
I said it low pitch.
I can't hear. You just said.
Never mind. Ow.
At the birdie.
Well, getting a severe storm in Catoosa County, heading towards North Carolina possibility. Hello.
If you could see your rain too.
Say hello.
Hello.
No storm. No. Excuse me. No certificate storm spotter or chaser that's giving heads up to everybody in the North Carolina and South Carolina area, and that's prepared to take shelter. It's weakened some, but there is some rotation spotted near the Alabama and Georgia line. It's coming towards what does it? Dade County, Lafayette, and Catoosa County. Be prepared.
Yep.
Okay, that sounded so hideous. Oh God!
I'm hideous.
What's wrong moving? What's wrong with moving? Look, I haven't touching it.
Uh-oh.
That's the windshield.
A tornado. Right in the plane.
I hear sirens too.
Sound like a wreck.
I don't know where my other piece went. It flew off.
Oh, dang.
I'm gonna step back since the drone's parked. I gotta find that other piece. It bounced. Sis, I hope it ain't in the road down here. Hey, what the hell is that?
I don't know. It's pouring down now.
No, it ain't pouring down. It's light rain.
Oh, wow.
That ain't what I thought it was. It'll be pouring down, we know it. Hi. Who cares? Who cares? Mine's lower than yours. Almost.
Dang.
You had to restart?
I did hit start.
Mine's almost there.
Look at mine on.
Oh, God. Mine's catching up quick with yours. I'm slowly picking up. Why is it we have to get the gel in it every damn time? Yeah, look at Lauren. Hello.
Hello, big boy.
Guys, we're in a fun night. Your mom playing peekaboo with us.
No.
Hello.
Dang.
Yours is at 8 something, mine's at 5 something.
Mine was on there before you.
I gotta pee now, don't
That's on there. No.
I can't help it almost
Should
on
I
it.
stop mine?
Oh, because it's fish come through.
Okay.
There's a hell core. You want some eggs?
Want some eggs?
I meant to say steak and eggs. Here's some steak and eggs, sweetheart.
Want some?
Oh, Aunt Meg's gravy's off the chain.
Oh, dang.
Why am I sounding like, wasn't it Dusty?
It's my nose.
Or I meant rabbit. Off
It's
the
my
chain.
nose. On the side. Over to the other side. Down. There you go.
Ooh,
Oh, dang.
ow. You say that?
Yeah, now it's
No.
coming.
Look at the lights.
That doesn't look right.
Like that light.
Hey, look at the M. Look at on my screen.
It does. Hello.
Hello.
I just zoomed
Big
out
boy.
right on time on that one. Murphy's
Where's
doing.
the form down?
I know. I
on
got
it?
the. But you got the drone. I got mine out there. We got all that. You know what? Alex, I was gonna say something.
This was gonna be longer.
Yeah. Rabbit's good. Rabbit is wise. Oh, and by the way, you didn't only wear his ding dong.
Ding dong.
No, that line off.
Oh,
and
dang.
by the way, she's the reproductive therapist.
Hey, she is too.
We don't want to get in trouble. No, I'm the.
What are we doing?
Why did I have to use that term off the Twitter? Hello.
She's the therapist.
Uh-oh.
Oh, dang.
Ambulance going over. That ain't good. That's not good, dog. I got it on freaking video. I don't know. Something's happened. They just come through the damn main gate.
Oh, dang. Someone's got her problem.
Or, I don't know. Yep, they're going, oh, hello.
Oh, dang.
There's a power flash.